How to fix TikTok login problem with Facebook. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. Now let's get right into the tutorial. First things first, check if your Facebook app is working properly or not. So open the Facebook application on your device and go ahead and verify that your account is active. Also confirm that you know your Facebook password and see if that helps you in fixing your issue. If not, then go ahead and open App Store on your device and then tap on the search bar and search for TikTok and then search for Facebook individually and make sure both the applications, that is TikTok and the Facebook application, is updated to its latest version. And if not, then go ahead and update these applications in order to use the latest version of the app and fix authentication issues. If that does not help you in fixing your issue, then go ahead and open settings and make sure that you are connected to a proper working internet connection. And if not, then you can switch between Wi-Fi and mobile data. You can also enable airplane mode for a few seconds and then toggle it off again, as doing this will refresh your network connection. See if that helps you in fixing your issue, and if not, then go ahead and open Facebook again and then tap on the three lines on the top left of your screen. Here, tap on the settings and privacy option and then tap on settings. Here, scroll down and look for the apps and website option under your activity tab. Here, you can then go ahead and remove TikTok from your connected apps and then go ahead and return to TikTok and then log in with Facebook again, and this will create a fresh authorization link. And if your issue is not fixed yet, then launch the settings application on your device and tap on general and then on iPhone storage. Further, go ahead and navigate to TikTok and offload the app and reinstall the app again, and then go a step back and then tap on Facebook and offload Facebook and then reinstall the Facebook application again. Doing this will clear the cache in the application and will help you in fixing your issue. Now, in General tab itself, scroll down and tap on the VPN and device management option and make sure that you are not connected to any kind of VPN services, as if you are connected to a VPN, then it can interfere with Facebook authentication. And if your issue is not fixed yet, then you can also go ahead and log in using a browser. So open your preferred browser and in the search bar, search for tiktok.com and then go ahead and whenever prompted, go ahead and log in with Facebook and choose the browser login. If that does not help you in fixing your issue too, then it simply could be that you are using incorrect email address or phone number. So go ahead and use another TikTok login method. And if your account has an email address, then try entering email address or a phone number or a Google account instead. And if your issue is not fixed yet, that it simply could be the server issue. So you can check the server for both Facebook and TikTok, and if the server is down, you can simply wait. So these were a few fixes on how you can fix login problem with Facebook on TikTok. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this. See you on the next one.